Hi, it's Technology Lore, and today I'm going to talk about how you can integrate writing with random emojis. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is type perchance.org/emoji in your browser, and you can also link this on your Google Classroom or your LMS. And so I have my students create a short essay based off emoji. So they will hit 5 and then they randomize, and then they have to create a little essay based off these 5 emojis. But as you can see, if I click again, the partner next to them might have these 5 emojis and so on. So you can just keep randomizing the emojis, and they have to create a story based off of these emojis. So then I have the students create a document based off these emojis. So then I would paste the emojis, and then that's where the students create an own little essay based off their emojis, and then they can submit that. So it really helps with originality and creativity. So I really hope you like this video. Be sure to like, subscribe for more EdTech tips. Thank you.